Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 4th January. Let's start. In the year of 1809, on this day, Louis Braille, the famous person who created Braille script for the blind, was born. In the year of 1854, on this day, the McDonald Islands were discovered by Captain William McDonald aboard Samrang. In the year of 1892, on this day, an Indian economist J.C. Kumarappa was born. Kumarappa is credited with developing economic theories, Gandhian economics, based on Gandhism. In the year of 1906, on this day, South Africa beat England by 1 wicket to win their first test. In the year of 1906, on this day, King George V laid the foundation stone of Victoria Memorial Hall in Calcutta. In the year of 1925, on this day, Gopal Das Neeraj, a poet and writer of films on the famous of Hindi literature, a teacher and poet conferences, was born. His main compositions are सांसों के सितार पर, बादलों के सलाम लेता हूँ, नीरज दोहावली, कुछ दोहे नीरज के, etc. In the year of 1948, on this day, Burma declared independence from Britain. Burma's new name is Myanmar. In the year of 1962, on this day, the first automatic unmanned subway train ran in New York City, USA. In the year of 1993, on this day, Apurvi Chandela, an Indian female shooter, was born. She won the gold medal at the 2019 ISSF World Cup in New Delhi. In the year of 2008, on this day, US suspended supply of military equipment and services to Sri Lanka. In the year of 2010, on this day, on the orders of the Stock Exchange Board of India in India, the opening hours of the stock exchanges were shifted 1 hour earlier to 9 am. In the year of 2010, on this day, the Development of Health and Human Services, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention removed HIV infection from its list of communicable diseases of public health importance. In the year of 2010, on this day, Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, officially opened in Dubai, whose height is 829.8 meters, approximately 2,722 feet. In the year of 2016, on this day, the Gemology Institute of Colombo declared Sapphire the world's largest blue star at 1404.49 carats, found in a Sri Lankan mine in August 2015. In the year of 2019, on this day, Indian cricket batsman Cheteshwar Pujara scored 193 and Rishabh Pant made 159 and declared 622 by 7 innings on day 2 of the 4th test against Australia in Sydney. Rishabh Pant became the first Indian wicketkeeper to score a century in Australia. In the year of 2020, on this day, torrential rains caused floods and landslides in Jakarta, Indonesia, killing at least 53 people. In the year of 2021, on this day, Britain became the first country in the world to roll out a low-cost and easily transportable Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine. An 82-year-old man, dialysis patient Brian Pinker, became the first person in the world to receive the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine on 4 January. In the year of 2021, on this day, India begins its 40th scientific expedition to Antarctica, making 40 years of India's scientific endeavor in the continent. In the year of 2021, on this day, the Asian Development Bank provided a loan of 100 million US dollar to modernize and upgrade the electricity distribution system in Bangalore city. In the year of 2021, on this day, IDBI Bank has announced the launch of video KYC account opening facility for savings bank account. In the year of 2021, on this day, Pankaj Mittal was appointed as the new Chief Justice of the Common High Court for the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and the Union Territory of Ladakh. In the year of 2021, on this day, the All India Gems and Jewelry Domestic Council GJC, the national apex body of the gems and jewelry industry, announced the appointment of Ashish Pete as chairman and Sayam Mehra as vice chairman for a period of 2 years. In the year of 2021, on this day, Sanjay Kapoor was elected president of the All India Chess Federation, while Bharat Singh Chauhan remained as the secretary. In the year of 2022, on this day, the World Braille Day is celebrated globally from the year 2019 on 4th January. The day is observed to raise awareness about the importance of Braille as a means of communication in full realization of human rights for blind and partially sighted people. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.